Hello, Mom and or Dad. This is your bonus for the week. This is something we call speed songs at BMF. A speed song should happen in a couple of minutes or less, and we do this all the time in our private lessons and in our band classes. The whole goal is to take away the fear of songwriting, taking away the fear of expressing yourself, just putting something out there. And we can all sing and we can all make our own original music with little or no trouble. So I want to show you one technique for writing a speed song. You can do this in the back of the car on the way to school. No instruments necessary, just your voice and your imagination. Enjoy. So we need just one thing to sing about. So what is just one cool thing you've thought about or encountered today, just today?
Playing in broken boulders.
Okay, playing in broken boulders. What did you do with broken boulders?
Just zip lining and belaying.
Oh, zip lining, sweet. Okay, so zip lining, belaying, rock climbing. Okay, our lyrics are zip lining, and what's one thing that you got out of today?
Big fluffy unicorn.
Oh, we've been there though. We've been there. That's already a song. Rule is, it's got to be brand new.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Yes. The song is called Zip Lines and Popcorn. You're our rhythm guy. Get us a rhythm going. Love it. It's very popcorny. I like it. So, in Zip Lines and Popcorn, what about zip lines? What's cool about zip lines?
It was fast, I guess. And
Okay.
when you got to the end, it went like that. It's
Oh, sweet. If you had to sing one line about a zip line.
So, swing,
Oh.
zip line, swing.
Okay, swing. Swing. How about swing through the zip line?
Yeah. Swing through the zip line.
Okay, and what was good about, how about that popcorn? What would you sing about the popcorn? You can pause the rhythm.
Popcorn, popcorn, it is so good. Hey!
Corn, pop. I got something. Here we go. Can you keep that going? Popcorn.
Oh, I forgot
Don't
the
even
zip
worry
line
about the
thing.
rhythm. You're gonna go popcorn. I'll help you out.
Popcorn, it is so good.
Popcorn, popcorn. It is so
And what am I gonna do?
Now you got swinging through the so good. You got swinging through the zip line.
We do it at swinging through
Exactly. We're gonna build a whole rhythm together.
Swinging through the zip line. Swinging through the zip line.
It is so good. Hey!
Swinging through the zip line. Swinging through the zip line. Swinging through the zip line.
It is
Swinging
so
through the
good.
zip
Hey!
line. Swinging through
It is
swinging
so
through the
good.
zip line.
Hey!
There's our song. High five. Nice. Good job.